Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Trisha and you are watching Trish Kitchen. Today I am going to share with you Baingan ka Bharta's recipe. This is one of my favorite recipe. It tastes great in winter with roti. I use very less masala in this Baingan ka Bharta. The main ingredient of this delicious Baingan ka Bharta are onion, garlic, tomatoes and very few spices. The most important thing to get the real taste of this Baingan ka Bharta is to roast your eggplant on direct gas flame. Serve this Baingan ka Bharta with dal fry and roti. Now without wasting our time, let's see how to make Baingan ka Bharta. We need one large eggplant or Baingan, 4 to 5 garlic cloves. Grease the brinjal with oil. Make small slits in the baingan and stuff the slits with the garlic cloves. Roast the baingan on an open flame for 10 to 15 minutes, turning the baingan every 1 to 2 minutes to make sure it's roasted well on all sides. You can prick it with a fork or knife to check if it's cooked from inside or not. Once the baingan is roasted, keep aside to cool for a few minutes. Cut off the stem and peel the skin off. Now mash the baingan with the help of a fork. Heat oil in a pan. I am using mustard oil here. You can use any other oil too. We need one large onion chopped, ginger garlic chopped and green chilies chopped. Add chopped ginger garlic and green chilies. Saute for 1 to 2 minutes. Now add chopped onion. Fry the onions till it becomes pink in color. Don't fry too much. Now we need tomatoes. I am using here one large tomato chopped. Saute the tomatoes till the oil starts separating from the mixture. Now add all the dry masalas. In dry masala we need salt, garam masala powder, half tablespoon, turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon cumin powder and chili powder. Add all the dry masalas, salt, turmeric, cumin powder, garam masala, chili powder and coriander powder. Mix well. Saute till the oil starts separating from the mixture. Now add cooked baingan. Mix the baingan very well with the onion tomato masala mixture. Cook the bharta for another 5 minutes on medium to low heat. Our bharta is almost ready now. Now add chopped coriander leaves. Mix well. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes more. Then turn off the heat. Delicious Baingan Bharta is ready now. Serve hot with chapatis or rice. Our delicious Baingan Bharta is ready now. I prefer it with hot rotis. You can serve it with dal or rice too. This Baingan ka Bharta is a big hit in my house. Please try it and let me know how it turns out. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.